Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. If you want a healthy lifestyle, you probably know that eating habits are the most important thing. That's why in today's video, you'll learn about 10 powerful natural anticoagulants. They're effective in treating bleeding and also some health problems such as heart attack, stroke, arterial and pulmonary embolism, renal vein thrombosis, and angina. To avoid these problems, blood must be thinned so it can flow through all parts of the body. That's why many people try different medications to thin the blood, such as aspirin. But you can also eat healthy and drink plenty of water for even more benefits. Learn more now about 10 foods that prevent clotting problems and help thin the blood. Garlic has anticoagulant properties because it's rich in B vitamins, which help lower homocysteine levels. It also blocks the clumping of platelets in the blood and reduces the stiffness of blood vessels by lowering blood pressure. Ginger is another natural anticoagulant and blood thinner. It prevents the formation of blood clots, stimulates blood flow, helps maintain the elasticity of the arteries, reduces inflammation in the body, and prevents strokes. Turmeric from the ginger family helps keep the lining of blood vessels healthy, has an anticoagulant effect, and prevents platelets from accumulating and forming clots. Cayenne pepper is another natural ingredient that helps thin the blood, prevents blood clotting, and can prevent heart disease. Cinnamon also prevents platelets from clumping together, which in turn prevents blood clots from forming and fights inflammation in the body. Enjoying the video? Then click the like button and share the video with your friends. Avocados help prevent and reduce thrombosis, fight free radicals, and regulate blood sugar. Pineapple is another natural anticoagulant and also helps remove plaque in the arteries, preventing thrombosis, varicose veins, and atherosclerosis. Did you enjoy learning more about natural anticoagulants? As you can see, many of them have incredible benefits for cardiovascular and overall health. If that's the case for you, avoid excessive salt, sausage, and other processed foods that are high in sodium and trans fats, and therefore affect blood circulation. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.